You can make a UGC video for your SaaS app in under 2 minutes. No creators, no cameras, no budget. Here's exactly how. Getting real UGC for a SaaS product is nearly impossible. Nobody's filming testimonials for your dashboard. Tagshop AI's AI video agent changes that. You put in a rough idea, and it gives you a post-ready UGC video. It's a 3-step thing. Let me walk you through it.
Step 1. Give it your idea and your product. The brief is 1 sentence. Genuinely, make a TikTok UGC video for my project management tool. That's enough. It figures out the rest. Then paste your product URL. Step 2. Shape what the video actually looks like. Pick your aspect ratio and your length. For UGC specifically, don't default to the shortest option. Real UGC needs a little room. A problem, the product, then the reaction. Somewhere between 30 and 60 seconds usually hits right. Then the agent asks you a few follow-up questions. Your audience, your tone, the message. Answer like you're describing the video to a friend, not writing a marketing brief. The more casual your answers, the more human the output. Then you get a storyboard, scene by scene, before anything renders. This is the part that actually matters. If something reads too polished or too ad-like, just say it directly. Make this more casual, or cut the product shot in scene 2. That scene updates. The rest stays. Step 3. Generate and post. Once the storyboard looks right, hit approve and generate. If one scene still isn't landing after you see it moving, you can regenerate just that piece. You don't have to start over. Then export and post. TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts, it's ready to go as is.
That's it. Rough idea in, UGC video out. The Tagshop AI link is in the description. Free trial. Go make one for your product right now. Subscribe if you want more of these.